Welcome back, students. This is list in Python part 2. In part 1, we covered how to define the list, what all elements are available in the list. We discussed the length function. We discussed how the indexing is done to find out a particular element in the list. We discussed how we can access the list using for loop, and we also discussed how indexing is done using for loop. We also discussed forward and reverse, both ways to access the list. That means positive and negative indexing. And we discussed list slicing. So in part 2, we will discuss list functions. What are the functions that are available, where the list can be passed as an argument? What are the methods that are available for list objects? List comprehension. In the end, we discuss the list comprehension. So moving on to the list functions. So here you can see there are 6 functions that are available that can be applied on list. As an example, you can see the first code L6 and L7. So L7 is a string and L6 is a list. So list has got numerical values. Okay. So first function is len bracket list L6 bracket close. So what it does, let's see, when I run this code, it gives me the total length of the list. So if you count the number of elements in L6, they are 12 in number. So it returns the total length of the list or the total number of elements in the list. Okay. The second is max L6. What it does is returns the element with max value in the list. So which is the max here? 40. So it returns 40. Then the third function is min L6. It returns the minimum value in the list. What is the minimum value? 1. It's 1. List bracket L7. So L7 is a variable. In this case, it is a string variable. You can see here, this is how it is defined. So it converts a string variable into a list. This is the function of the list, how it works. So you can see here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These all are separate elements now in the list. Earlier it was one single string, but now it is converted into a list. The last is sum. It returns the sum of all numeric values. If you sum them all these 12 elements, it will give us 106. Okay. This is very simple. So now moving on to the list methods. So when we cover the classes and object-oriented programming, then there we will discuss in detail about the methods, classes, and all that stuff. But as of now, here there are some built-in functions which are available for list objects, which can be directly called. So in this case, today we discuss number of methods that are available. So in total, there are 8 or 9 that we will discuss here. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Initialize, we take a list as an example here. L8 is a list. Now L8 dot append bracket 50. So it appends 50 to the end. So let me run this for you. Yeah. So new list after appending. So until 40 it was there. After the running that command dot append, it amends that 50 number in the end. Then L8 dot index 8. So what it does is it returns the index of the first element whose value is equal to the item. So value is equal to the item. So we said L8 dot index 8. 8 is at what position? 7th position, because we start from 0. So index of the elements where the value matches with 8 is 7. All right. Now insert L8 dot insert 8 comma 99. What it does is it again matches the value 8, and then wherever it finds 8 in the list, after that it will insert 99. And if there were any element after 8, they will be shifted by 1. Let us see here. So our list is 1 to 40. Now we are saying 8. After 8, we will have 99, then 9, 10, 11. So when we run this, see after 8, 99 is inserted, and then it is all are shifted by 1 to accommodate 99. Then the fourth method is L8 dot reverse. It reverses the current order. So whatever order is at present, it will reverse that. List after reversing, you can see here, it reverses the current order. So current order was 1 to 50, now it has reversed. Sort. L8 dot sort sorts the list in ascending order. L8 dot sort gives me sorted list. L8 dot sort bracket reverse, it sorts in reverse order from descending to ascending. Earlier was ascending, now it is descending. Reverse order is descending. List L8 dot remove 99. It simply removes 99 from the list. So when we run this, see 99 is not here. Okay. Then L8 dot count 99. So it counts the number of instances 99 has occurred. So since we have removed 99, so we'll find 0. Okay. L8 dot count 15 is 1 because it is only once. List after extending 100 to the list. Okay. So if we want to extend a list to a list, then use L8 dot extend bracket a list. So this list, all these three elements will be inserted in the end of the current list. So if you see here, this was our list, and then in the end 100, 200, 300 are added. This is how we extend the list. For one numerical number, we use append. Okay, so practice this whenever you have time and see how the gives the output. Okay, now we have list comprehensions. List comprehensions we'll discuss in detail in part 3. All right. Okay, students, thank you for joining. See you in the next class. Bye bye.